Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have conjugated ketone, which is alpha, beta, and saturated form. You reacting with boron and hydrogen peroxide. You should find what will be the final product. The reaction involves chemoselective reduction. The question really will be which functional group will reduce, carbonyl or alkene. Here carbonyl and alkene, the carbon has positive charge. Boron also similar like positive charge because of empty p orbital. So same similar positive charge means it will repel. So attack on carbonyl is not possible. But BH3 can attack alkene. It's a well-known mechanism. So alkene is reduced. That is the major product. The concept we outlined here is boron very selective to alkene, not to carbonyl. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.